Hello everybody, it is me, Andrea again, and in this super quick extra video I want to show you the finished result of my limited edition Valentine's Day bundle. You've probably already seen my video where I showed the full drawing process of the charm and the sticker set, but if you haven't seen it yet, I will leave the link in the description box. You might find it interesting to see how it all started and came to life. So let's talk a little bit about the charm. As you can see, it is not made out of the usual transparent acrylic. Instead, for this special release, I've picked wood. It just seemed a bit more special, I guess. I feel like it gives the whole design this softness, warmth and romantic feel to it. Plus, I really love how you can see some of the wood grain, which means that every single design will be slightly different and completely unique. The size of the charm is just about 2 inches, with the wood being 3 mm in thickness. For the charm strap, I picked a rose pink color. That way you can attach it and display it on almost anything. Alright, let's move on to the sticker set. These were printed on glossy paper and feature a bunch of adorable designs that you can use in your planners, bullet journals, notebooks, and so on. And yes, all of the designs are kiss cut, so you can easily peel them off individually. Before I go, I want to quickly mention that I have limited quantities of this bundle, and that once it is sold out, it will not be restocked. So this basically means that for this year's Valentine's Day bundle you can get this specific design, and then next year I will have a different set of designs. If you're interested in getting one for yourself or your friends or family members, I will leave the link to my Etsy store in the description box with a ton of other resources and useful info. Alright, it is time for me to go. Thank you so much for watching, take care, and I will talk to you again this Friday with another new video. Alright, see you soon. Bye!